Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you an AI app that honestly surprised me. This is an app that exploded in popularity, growing its user base nearly 15 times in just 10 days. The app is called VibeMe AI. It's a platform that lets you turn any photo and voice into a high-quality music video in just a few taps. And what makes it special isn't just the technology, it's the experience behind it. For this part, I'm recording directly from my phone so we can experience it together. So here we are inside the official VibeMe AI app. At its core, VibeMe is an AI-powered music video platform. You upload a photo, choose a music template, and instantly generate singing or performance-style videos like the ones you're seeing here. There are a lot of models and styles available, but what really makes VibeMe AI different is this. It's not just about creating videos alone, it's about creating videos together. You'll notice sections like new templates, free templates, and especially duet templates. This means you can literally sing with friends or family members, even if they're in completely different cities. For example, imagine a Christmas song. You can make a Christmas music video with your family even if everyone is living in different locations. This social and interactive experience is a big reason why VibeMe AI is growing so fast. Instead of making a solo clip, you're creating a shared music moment. You can joke around, do something playful, or just have fun together. And the app turns it into one synchronized music video. And this actually reflects a bigger shift happening right now in AI video. Even with advanced tools like Sora, the focus is moving beyond simple video generation. It's moving toward interaction, emotion, and shared experiences. That's what I personally like about VibeMe AI. Everything feels easy and light. There's already a huge library of templates, so you don't need to think about prompts or what to type. You just browse, find something you like, and use it. The process is simple. You pick a template, add yourself, add a friend if you want, tap generate, and that's it. I tried one of the templates myself. I chose myself as one singer, added a friend as the second singer, waited a short time, and the result was honestly impressive. The video quality is one of the best I've seen in this category of AI apps. The animation feels smooth, expressive, and clearly made for entertainment. AI song creation. With VibeMe AI, you can create a personal music video for yourself just by uploading a portrait photo. The AI turns your image into a live character, syncs it with the music, and the result becomes a fun video that's ready to share. You can even add your friends' photos and create a joint video together, especially when you're far from each other. It turns into a fun way to stay connected. One tap, AI music video. No complicated workflow is needed. Just upload your photo, tap the generate button, and that's it. In a few seconds, you have a short video that you can send directly on Instagram, TikTok, or to your friends. You can choose from different styles like movie, cartoon, and various themes, and create a video with a single click. There are plenty of free and new templates you can use on your own. You just pick the style that fits you and generate your video. This quality is also why so many people are getting real traction on social media with VibeMe AI. If you check their official YouTube account, you'll see multiple videos with tens of millions of views. That alone says a lot about how viral this type of content really is. So if you're looking for a fun, easy, and social way to create AI music videos, VibeMe AI is definitely worth checking out. Try it yourself, play with it, and see what you can create. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to leave a like. I'll see you in the next video.